भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति ढुक्कृङ्करणे भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति ढुक्कृङ्करणे भज वर्शिप गोविन्दं गोविन्द भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते मूढमती फूल मूढमते ओ फूल सम्प्राप्ते when reached sannihite near kale death kale sannihite samprapte when death has reached near nahi does not rakshati save ढुक्कृङ्करणे ढुक्कृङ्करणे नहि नहि रक्षति ढुक्कृङ्करणे will not save you. A ढुक्कृङ्करणे is actually a rule in Sanskrit grammar, Panini's Ashtadhyayi, and basically using this word here, Adi Shankaracharya wants to say that simply rote learning grammar rules or just knowledge for the sake of knowledge and not for the sake of attaining God is useless. At the time of death, what will help is knowledge of God or the worship of Govinda. So, bhaja govindam govindam bhaja moodhamate samprapte sannihite kale nahi nahi rakshati ढुक्कृङ्करणे. Worship Govinda, worship Govinda, worship Govinda, O fool. Rules of grammar will not save you at the time of your death. मूढ जहीहि धन आगम तृष्णां कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णां यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपात्तं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तम्. मूढ जहीहि धन आगम तृष्णां कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णां यत् लभसे यल्लभसे निज कर्म उपात्तं निज कर्मोपात्तं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तम्. मूढ ओ फूल जहीहि give up, renounce, dhana wealth, agama coming of, trishnam thirst, dhana agama trishnam thirst to amass wealth, kuru do, sadbuddhim good thoughts, kuru sadbuddhim be wise, manasi in your mind, vitrishnam being content in your mind, manasi vitrishnam. Yat labhase whatever you get, nija karma nija your own karma actions, upattam as a result of, nija karmopattam as a result of your own actions, vittam wealth, tena by that, vinodaya make happy, chittam yourself. Yat vittam labhase nija karmopattam, whatever wealth you get as a result of your own actions, tena chittam vinodaya, by that make yourself happy. Moodha jahihi dhanagama trishnam kuru sadbuddhim manasi vitrishnam yallabhase nija karmopattam vittam tena vinodaya chittam. O fool, give up your thirst to amass wealth. Devote your mind to good thoughts by conquering desire. Be happy with whatever you get through your own actions. Nari sthanabhara nabhidesham drishtva maga mohavesham etan mamsavasadi vikaram manasi vichintaya varam varam. Nari sthana bhara nabhi desham drishtva ma ga moha avesham etat mamsa vasa adi vikaram manasi vichintaya varam varam. Nari woman, sthanabhara, breast filled with milk, nabhi, navel, desham, region, navel region, drishtva, having seen, ma, don't, ga, go, don't be, maga, don't be, moha, desire, avesham, engrossed in, being desirous or lustful, etat, this, mamsa, flesh, vasa, waste, adi, etc., vikaram, modifications. These are modifications of flesh and waste, etc. Manasi, in your mind, vichintaya, think like this or remember, varam, varam, again and again. Nari sthanabhara nabhi desham drishtva मागामोहावेशम् एतद् मांसवसादिविकारं मनसि विचिन्तय वारं वारम्. Do not get drowned in delusion and lust by seeing a woman's beauty. These are nothing but a modification of flesh and waste. Remember this again and again in your mind. नलिनीदलगतजलमतितरलं तद्वज्जीवितमतिशयचपलं विद्धि व्याध्यभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तम्. नलिनी दल गत जलम् अतितरलं तद्वत् जीवितम् अतिशय चपलं विद्धि व्याधि अभिमानग्रस्तं लोकं शोकहतं च समस्तं. Nalini, lotus, dala, leaf, gata, gone, jalam, water. The water that has gone on top of a lotus leaf, atitaralam, is very unstable. Tadvat, just like that, jivitam, the life of a person, atishaya, is very much chapalam, fickle-minded or is uncertain. Viddhi, know this. Vyadhi, disease. Abhimana, ego, grastam, is engulfed with. Lokam, this world. Shokahatam cha, is filled with grief. Cha, and. Samastam, this whole. Viddhi, no. Loka samastam, this whole world. Vyadhi abhimana grastam, is filled with disease and ego. Cha shokahatam, and is also grief-stricken. Nalini dalagata jalam atitaralam tadvat jivitam atishaya chapalam viddhi vyadhyabhimana grastam lokam shokahatam cha samastam. The life of a person is as uncertain as drops of rain trembling on a lotus leaf. Know that the whole world remains a prey to disease, ego, and grief.